Imagine a place where the land meets the sea, with an embrace as ancient as time itself. Monte Cristi, a Dominican treasure, where the horizon paints stories with every sunset. Here, the mountains wear a crown of clouds, casting shadows like whispered secrets upon the azure waters below. The salt flats shimmer like spilled stardust, each crystal catching the light in a delicate dance. Fishermen navigate the waters, their boats a kaleidoscope of colors, reminiscent of a living postcard. What tales do the winds carry from the distant past? And what secrets does the landscape whisper to the curious who wander its paths? Why do the waves of Punta Cana seem to dance with a rhythm all their own? Nestled on the eastern tip of the Dominican Republic, Punta Cana is where the Atlantic meets the Caribbean, in an embrace that creates a symphony of azure hues. Imagine the sun as a painter's brush, casting golden reflections across the water, while palm trees sway like orchestrated dancers performing for an audience of sunbathers. Beneath the surface, coral reefs teem with vibrant marine life, a kaleidoscope of colors that rivals the most extravagant carnival. What stories do these waters hold, whispered by the ocean breeze to those willing to listen? What if I told you there's a place where the ocean's whisper can be heard in its most unadulterated form? Welcome to Boca de Yuma, a hidden gem on the Dominican Republic's southeastern coast. This quaint fishing village, with its colorful boats bobbing gently like lazy daydreams, offers an enchanting escape from the modern world. Imagine cliffs that cradle the coastline, providing dramatic views that seem to challenge the horizon itself. Here, time slows down, and life dances to the rhythm of the waves. Perhaps, somewhere in this tranquil corner, a timeless story is waiting to be discovered. Imagine a symphony of emerald hues playing against a backdrop of sapphire skies. Los Haitises National Park is nature's orchestra at its finest. This hidden gem in the Dominican Republic is an unspoiled paradise, where lush karst landscapes rise majestically, like ancient sentinels from the sea. Once a refuge for pirates, the park's labyrinthine mangroves and secluded coves whisper tales of adventure to those who dare to listen. The air is alive with the melodies of countless birds, their songs weaving through the tangled mangroves like threads in a verdant tapestry. Can you hear the call of the untamed wilderness, beckoning you to explore its secrets? Imagine a place where the sea wears 1,000 shades of blue, each one more captivating than the last. Cayo Levantado, a small island off the coast of the Dominican Republic, holds such a spectacle within its embrace. As you step onto its sandy shores, The scent of salt mingles with the sweet fragrance of coconut palms, swaying gently in the breeze. This island, affectionately known as Bacardi Island, offers an experience akin to stepping into a tropical dream. But what if paradise was more than just a destination? Perhaps it's a state of mind, waiting for you to uncover its secrets beneath the palm-fringed canopy. What if paradise had a tangible address? Sauna Island might just be that ethereal location where the very air seems to shimmer with magic. With its sands as fine as sifted flour and waters so clear they rival the clarity of a child's laughter. This Dominican gem is a sanctuary for the senses. The island's mangroves twist like ancient whispers, guarded by flocks of vibrant birds that punctuate the sky. As you wander, consider this. What secrets do the gentle waves whisper to the shore? And are we, mere visitors, meant to decipher them? Imagine a painter's palette spilling over with the hues of emerald, sapphire, and gold. That's Barahona, a Dominican canvas that defies expectation. Nestled between the lush Sierra de Bahoruco and the azure Caribbean Sea, this region is a playground for nature's most audacious creations. Here, you might stumble upon the elusive Larimar stone, a rare blue treasure found only in these lands. As you wander through dense forests and along pristine beaches, you can't help but wonder, what other secrets does this vibrant paradise hold? waiting to be unearthed by curious souls. Have you ever witnessed the sea paint a canvas? On Bayahibe Beach, the Caribbean sun acts like a master artist, casting strokes of gold and sapphire across the tranquil waters, while the white sands lie like a blank canvas, waiting for the stories of travelers. This idyllic stretch of paradise in the Dominican Republic whispers tales of hidden treasures and secret marine worlds. Here, palm trees sway to a tropical rhythm, their leaves rustling like nature's own wind chimes. Beneath the waves, a vibrant coral tapestry awaits, inviting snorkelers to explore its vivid depths. Imagine, if you will, the secrets the ocean keeps. Are you ready to uncover them? Can a place be both a sanctuary and an untamed wilderness? This is the paradox of Playa Los Coquitos, a stretch of beach where nature's artistry is on full display. Imagine the delicate dance of palm fronds, swaying in the gentle breeze, casting dappled shadows on the powdery sands. It's as if each grain of sand holds whispered secrets of ancient mariners. Here, the ocean wears a cloak of turquoise, its waves playfully lapping at your feet, tempting you to wander deeper into its embrace. As you stand at the edge, the horizon blurs the line between sea and sky, inviting you to ponder what lies just beyond sight. Time in Santo Domingo is not just measured by clocks, but by the rhythm of merengue and the ebb and flow of the Caribbean Sea. This vibrant city, the oldest European settlement in the Americas, is like a tapestry woven with threads of history, music, and sun-drenched colors. Imagine walking through the Zona Colonial, where cobblestones whisper tales of conquistadors and revolutionaries. Here, the past mingles with the present, as modern art galleries face centuries-old cathedrals. It's a place where the aroma of Dominican coffee mingles with the salty ocean breeze, inviting you to ponder what stories the waves have carried to these shores. Imagine a canvas painted with the most delicate strokes of turquoise and emerald, where the sky kisses the sea in a seamless embrace. This is Playa Rincon, a hidden gem nestled in the Samana Peninsula of the Dominican Republic. Here, time seems to slow, and the whispers of palm fronds create a symphony with the gentle surf. Unlike the bustling beaches flaunting neon parasols, Playa Rincon remains a secret whispered by nature itself. The sand, so fine it feels like powdered sugar, beckons travelers to leave their footprints. Is it a retreat from the world, or a bridge to something beyond? Imagine the ocean as a painter's palette, with hues of turquoise and sapphire blending seamlessly into the horizon. In Las Galeras, this vibrant village at the tip of the Samana Peninsula, the sea is not just a backdrop, but the very essence of life. Here, coconut palms sway like dancers along the pristine beaches, and fishermen, like ancient mariners, sail out at dawn, their catch destined for the village's bustling market. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow over the bay, one can't help but wonder if Mother Nature herself resides here, sketching her next masterpiece. Some places are written in stone, others are etched in the salt-kissed winds of time. El Morro, the sentinel of Puerto Rico's history, stands as a formidable fortress, its walls whispering tales of bygone battles and seafaring adventures. As you approach, the fortress looms like a giant resting on the edge of the world, its bastions shaped by centuries of Atlantic squalls. The cannonballs embedded in its walls are silent storytellers of the past, while the labyrinthine passages invite explorers to unravel secrets layer by layer. Imagine the echoes of conquistadors' footsteps mingling with the laughter of modern-day adventurers. What other stories await in this timeless stronghold? Imagine a place where the vibrant hues of Caribbean waters meet the lush embrace of tropical hills. Amber Cove Cruise Port is that very canvas. Nestled in the Dominican Republic, this port is more than just a gateway. It's an invitation to a world where adventure and relaxation share the same horizon. From the zip lines that let you glide above verdant canopies to the serene cabanas that kiss the shoreline, Amber Cove offers a spectrum of experiences. But What if the real treasure lies not in the excursions or the views, but in the stories whispered by the ocean breeze? Imagine a canvas painted with the vivid hues of Caribbean waters and sunlit sands. This is La Romana, a city where the sea whispers secrets to the shore. Nestled on the southeastern coast of the Dominican Republic, its port hums with life, a gateway for adventurers and dreamers alike. Once a sleepy sugar town, La Romana now dances to a lively merengue beat, with echoes of the past lingering in every cobblestone and colonial facade. Will you join the symphony of colors, sounds, and stories that animate this coastal gem? Imagine a place where the sun kisses the sea with a fiery embrace every evening, painting the sky in hues of tangerine and lavender. La Caobita Beach, nestled on the southern coast of the Dominican Republic, is a hidden gem that whispers tales of serenity and adventure. The sands, as soft as sifted flour, beckon you to leave your footprints, while the gentle waves serenade the shore with their rhythmic lullaby. It's a place where time seems to slow down, inviting you to ponder. What stories do these waves hold from centuries past? And which ones will you add to their collection? Amid the verdant tapestry of the Dominican Republic, Jarabacoa emerges like a well-kept secret, where nature paints its most audacious masterpieces. This vibrant town, nestled in the heart of the island, is often likened to a tropical highland retreat, with its refreshing climate and lush rolling hills. The rivers here, Yaque del Norte and Jimenoa, weave through the landscape like silver threads, inviting thrill-seekers to raft their rapids. Hidden waterfalls whisper tales of enchantment, their misty veils draping the forest like a bride on her wedding day. Could this be nature's own theater, where every sunset cues a standing ovation? Water is the soul of the earth, flowing through time and memory, and nowhere is this more vividly illustrated than along the banks of the Nizao River. Tucked within the lush embrace of the Dominican Republic, this river meanders through verdant jungles and dramatic landscapes, carving a path through the heart of the island like a sinuous serpent. The river's crystal waters are a mirror of the sky, reflecting both the azure expanse above and the vibrant tapestry of life in the surrounding rainforest. Here, the chorus of exotic birds and the whisper of the wind through the trees create a symphony that invites the imagination to wander. What stories does this ancient river hold in its depths, and what secrets will it reveal to those who dare to listen? Is a secluded paradise ever truly hidden? This question dances on the warm breeze at Playa Calatin, a jewel tucked away on the Dominican Republic's northern coast. Here, the sands shimmer like powdered gold under the noonday sun, cradling visitors in a serene embrace. The gentle waves whisper tales of ancient mariners, while the surrounding cliffs stand as silent sentinels, painted in hues of emerald and sapphire. In this serene alcove, time feels as fluid as the ocean itself, inviting you to ponder the secrets it guards. What stories might the sands reveal if you listen closely enough? Imagine a place where the whispers of ancient trees dance with the rhythm of ocean waves. Cabo Cabron National Park is such a symphony of nature's wonders. Hidden away on the Dominican Republic's Samana Peninsula, this sanctuary boasts cliffs that cradle the horizon and jungles that seem plucked from a dream. Among the park's rarest treasures is the elusive Hispaniolan solenodon, a creature with a lineage older than the Caribbean itself. As you wander these trails, one might ponder, what secrets do these verdant realms guard from the curious eyes of the present? Imagine a tapestry woven with the hues of sapphire and emerald, a place where the horizon kisses the sea in a seamless embrace. This is Bavaro Beach. Nestled on the eastern edge of the Dominican Republic, its sands are as fine as spun sugar, whispering tales of mariners long gone as each wave retreats. The rhythmic dance of coconut palms swaying in the balmy breeze forms a natural symphony that enchants the senses. Picture yourself strolling along this tropical canvas, where the sky seems to paint itself anew with each setting sun. Could there be a corner of the world more alive with the art of nature? There's a place where the mountains kiss the sea and whispers of history echo through cobblestone streets. Puerto Plata, nestled along the northern coast of the Dominican Republic, is more than just a sun-soaked retreat. Its amber sands cradle the footprints of explorers, while the vibrant hues of Victorian architecture paint a picture of a bygone era. Here, the rhythmic sway of palm trees dances to the symphony of crashing waves and merengue beats. As you stand atop the majestic Mount Isabel de Torres, the city unfurls before you like a living tapestry, weaving tales of adventure and serenity, challenging you to find your own story within its vibrant threads.